Welcome to the video tutorial of GreenCloud VPS. Today, we will show you how to reset a database password in cPanel. First, log into your cPanel. In the Databases section, select Manage My Databases. A database does not have a password to reset. Instead, we need to reset the password for the user assigned to it. At the bottom of the page, under the current users, look for the database user, then click on the Change Password icon in the Actions column. Remember that the database user you are modifying should be the assigned user for the database that requires the password change. On the MySQL account maintenance page, enter the old password for the user and then enter the new password you would like. You can use the password generator to create a strong password. When finished, click the Change Password button. In addition, you can change the database password by editing it in the configuration file. To do so, access the File Manager in the File section in your cPanel. In the public HTML folder, right-click on the following configuration file and click Edit. Then, you can adjust the password information of the database user you want to edit. After that, click Save Changes to finish.